All right, we got a no cool call here. Let's see if we can get some footage. As always, thanks for watching. Hello. All right.
Turned on the AC off.
Okay.
Went on like 30 minutes.
Okay.
It's taking a minute. I'm gonna let it rest, so I put it on off. And then I waited for about 30 minutes, and I put it back on. And the never back on. The compressor, the fan comes up.
Okay.
So what do you want to see first?
So the inside it is blowing. It's just blowing warm air.
Yeah.
And the outside the fan running, but the compressor not.
So it's over here.
That's right.
I know about AC, but it's hard.
It sounds like it's just a capacitor.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Okay.
I got it.
All right, you got to take it apart.
Oh
yeah, I can tell you now it's probably that capacitor. It looks swole. So you got the breaker off?
No, you gotta pull this out. So I tested it there. It had 220. I tested over here. The leg.
I'm just gonna verify
You do your thing.
for my safety.
I just don't know I checked online how to do the capacitor. I go, nah, I'm just gonna have somebody do it.
Yeah. That look like what it is though. It looks swole.
Yeah, because I never had a problem until I did that.
All right. So you got a 50 by 5.
Yeah, I know to do all that too. Like I told you, I was checking it out.
Yeah, you check the safety part, huh?
Yeah, you gotta. That thing was after you keep the current.
Yeah, it bites you. Yeah.
See, I don't know how to do the ohms and stuff, and I looked online, but I got the wrong.
Yeah, I got
other things to do.
I got 0, so it is bad.
Yeah.
So I got one in my truck. It would be $150 to replace it, plus the service fee, and we'll check all the pressures.
I don't want you to check the pressure. They're good.
Yeah.
I mean, I need to be clean.
Yeah.
You gonna include that?
Well, a cleaning that's a maintenance. That's separate. We got $149.99 to clean it.
So what's the total to change the capacitor? I mean, I know the capacitor.
$235. $235. Yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, I can get a capacitor. They're not expensive.
Yeah, that's what we charge. What you got budgeted? I can do 200 even, but we charge 150 for the capacitor to change it out and the diagnostic fee. You do 200 even?
I'll do it for 200.
Yeah.
Yeah, it needs to be clean. But you got spray and wash it off.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just leave it off and get a water hose. These spine fin coils, they easy clean. Yeah, just get it with a water hose. But we come out like once a year. We can clean it for you though. They don't take much.
Oh yeah, no clearance.
Yeah.
I barely go under the tractor.
Low line.
I just trimmed it too. It's been a good unit. I've had it for like 10 years.
Oh yeah?
But I clean it every now and then. I hadn't noticed how dirty it is.
Yeah, these are good units. So it cooling good?
Oh yeah, no, it runs great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to open the little valves or anything.
Yeah. I understand. Yeah. I if you don't have any issues, there's no reason to. Every time we hook up our gauge, you lose a little bit.
Right.
All right. What kind of refrigerant do you got in here?
I have no idea. But it's
The old one or the new one?
Yeah, it's an old one.
Yeah. So long? Yeah. If you ever have issues with it, yeah, it's R22. All right, let's see what it'll do.
I still got to click it on.
Okay, you go heat it first. All right, y'all. I think it just needed capacitor. He don't want me to do anything else with it. Compressor did start, so we'll at least check the amps for him. Yeah, about 12.3, 14, 13.3, rated for 21, got 13.3, compressor 16 amps, got 13, so we're good. Yeah.
Can't go over that then?
Yeah, anything over 16,
Okay, that's
not good. Sometimes it'll still work, but
right.
you probably want to get ready to fail. But 13 is pretty good. Yeah. Okay. You got the screws for that?
I had them here somewhere.
Yeah. I see. They go
here.
one.
Yeah, it's because I shipped this from here earlier.
So, yeah. I got some extra screws, but
all right. Yeah.
for this unit.
I was shaking the whole unit trying to mess with it. I guess I must have shipped some off or under it.
Yeah. Let me get some screws and we'll put that back on there. You throw this away. That capacitor though, I got 1 year warranty on it.
Okay. email your receipt?
Just give it to me, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. They give me a minute, then I'll write it. I can write one out for you. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, that's a wrap. So I don't know if y'all heard the conversation. I usually don't negotiate my price or go down any, but look, quick fix like this, I went on and took care of my first time customer. But I don't know if you heard him, he said he can get the capacitor a little cheaper. Like I say, true enough they can, I mean, but like I said, I do a warranty on my caps, cap and labor. If it go out within a year, I'll buy a new cap and do it for free. You know, that's included in the price. And also included in that price is, you know, I like to check my pressure, amp, and all the electrical components. All that's into the price. But the customer did not want me to hook up my gauges to it, so, but I still, all that's included in the price. So, y'all know, you know, the convenience of getting air up and running now. He was using the window unit, sound like he said. So instead of waiting on Amazon and shocking yourself, I go ahead and get you some air right now. But anyway, they don't have an email address either, so I'm gonna go ahead and write them a paper receipt. And thanks for watching.